So like after like IMA, you started working in Citibank, Hong Kong, right? So which is like literally a dream job of every MBA aspirant ki abroad jana, abroad se offer aaya hai and all of that. But like, what made you decide to leave all of that and come back to India and start everything from a scratch, like a startup?
Basically, I just felt that I wasn't. Again, it's the same thing. You close doors wherever you feel ki it's not that right for you, because I felt. Would I be very, very good at this job? Probably not, because again, I felt ki I was not very happy in Hong Kong, because I felt isolated there. You have a very small Indian community there, and you don't kind of feel like you belong. You feel slightly isolated. You feel that things are, you never feel at home over there. You kind of always feel ki there's something missing, kind of thing. So I always used to feel that way, though I didn't understand why I felt like the odd one out or something like that. But so I always had that kind of undercurrent of not being very happy. And even in the job, always felt ki would being smarter help much in this job? No, it was mostly at that point of time I realized that it was about people skills, where that job, you get it through being smart, but to really do well in that job, you have to be kind of very networking. You have to like talk to like a lot of people. And again, I felt that is not something that I do very well. And it wasn't something that was very intellectually rewarding also. It was like a lot of money, but not very intellectually rewarding, because like for example, I always used to think that whenever I would come back to India, okay, my both parents are doctors. My elder brother also became a surgeon, and they would never like want to, like they would always want to talk about what they were doing, or if they did something new or innovative, or if they learned something new. They were always like having this amount of like conversation. They wanted to talk about their job. I used to never want to talk about the job, because I never felt like this is something that makes me happy. So I always used to feel like whenever I would sit and we would talk, I would feel ki like, let's not talk about that. So I just felt ki this means that I'm not very happy in doing that. It's not something that I enjoy doing. And after a couple of years, it becomes very evident that this is not something that you enjoy doing. So then you are like, you have to do something else. The paycheck is the only thing that is stopping you essentially. But after a point of time, that also doesn't stop you that much, because you feel that, okay, I would rather like stay in India with less money than stay here and feel like I'm like untethered, almost like isolated. So then we thought it was easy. Whether it would succeed or not is different, but whether it would give you a chance to be happier, that was what we were thinking about.